Hello and welcome to Busyklista. Long time no see. Medyo busy sa school. Medyo busy sa work eh. Anyway, here's a video kung paano mag-maintain ng hubs.
So first, ano nga ba ang hubs? Well, ito yun. Ito. Ito. Siya yung part ng bike or ng wheel set kung saan nakakabit yung rayos na nakakabit sa rim. And then of course, siya rin yung nakakabit sa bike. Fork. Bike fork. So maraming uri ng hubs based sa bearing na gamit sa kanila and yung sa construction ng mismong hubs. Pero commonly meron yung ganitong hub which is ball bearing type. Then meron din yung ganitong hub na sealed bearing type. And another common design ng hubs is yung ratchet type. So ito.
Okay, so start tayo sa ball bearing hubs. Ang kinakalikot natin ngayon ay lumang Diore XT mountain bike hubs. And para ma-access natin yung ball bearing part ng hubs, kailangan natin tanggalin muna yung cogs. And once matanggal na yun, kailangan natin ng cone spanner, dalawang cone spanner or isang cone spanner, isang wrench, as long as they're size 17 or 16 in most cases. And supposedly, 4 yung nuts na kailangan tanggalin. 2 sa non-drive, 2 sa drive. And sa case natin, or sa case ko, para hindi mawala yung sukat or placement ng rim or ng wheels sa frame, yung non-drive lang ang kinakalas. Yung drive side, masikip pa rin. Para yung pwesto, as is. Kung paano ko siya tinanggal, ganun ko siya ibabalik. So yeah, as easy as it goes. And may 3 sukat ng ball bearing bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy. So, ang sukat natin is small, medium, large. Alam ng bike shops yan. Yung pinakamalaki para sa rear hub, yung second para sa front, and yung maliliit para sa Freehub or sa Freehub body. Yan. So yan, last step para ma-expose yung bearings is tanggalin yung dust cap. Usually rubber yan or hard plastic. And makikita nyo yung ball bearings. Medyo malinis kasi nagawa ko na to yesterday. Nakalimutan ko lang gumawa ng video. And kung gusto mong puntahan naman yung yung drive side, ibalik mo lang yung dust cap para hindi mahulog yung ball bearings. And hilahin yung axle paangat. Meron pa rin siyang dust cap. And kita pa rin yung ball bearings doon. So yan. Reassemble lang. Make sure na hindi masyado maraming grasa. Kasi pag masyado maraming grasa, mag-i-slide yung bearings. Hindi siya iikot. So, saktong-sakto lang para umikot yung bearings at hindi mag-slide. Less friction. Sa reassembly naman ng axle, make sure na tama muna yung tension ng axle bago sikipan yung lock nuts. Para tama lang yung ikot.
Okay, next natin is yung sealed bearing hub. Usually, pag sealed bearing na siya or ratchet type, minimal na yung tools na gamit mo to maintain the hub. Well, ano lang ba ang pwede mong i-maintain sa bahay kung wala kang bearing press is yung mismong Freehub or Freehub body. Mainly because sealed na yung bearing niya, very minimal na yung pwede nating magawa in terms of lubricating it or changing the ball bearings kasi nga sealed na, isang cartridge na siya. So usually to replace the bearings, kailangan mo ng special tools like bearing hammer and bearing press. So kung nasa bahay ka, let it be. Kung umiikot naman na maayos yung wheels mo, the only thing that you need to maintain is yung pawls, yung mga ngipin sa loob to check if madumi na siya or marami ng gunk, kung kailangan ng palitan yung grease. Just like that. Ayun, so to begin with, kailangan mo ng cone spanner na 16 or 17, usually 16 to or 17, or any box wrench or combination wrench na 16-17. In my case, since training wheel to, hindi ko na siya sinisikipan na todo as if gagamitin ko siya outside na baka umulan or baka alikabukan. So yeah, kinakamay ko lang siya actually. Yan, hand tight na lang yung tornilyo na to. There you go. Set aside. So once na matanggal na yung nut dito or yung lock, as you can see, the axle is free to move. We just pull the Freehub body, and we just pull the Freehub and the Freehub body, tapos ito yung mismong hub. Kita nyo sa gitna yung mga ngipin na kinakapitan nitong holes. So as you can see, fresh pa yung grease nito. Again, hindi ko siya ginagamit outdoors, pang trainer lang siya, pang roller. So hindi siya ganun kadumi. So what you can do for home maintenance is usually clean this up. I'll show you how to remove the posts, the springs, tapos linisin to, and put it back. You're good to go. Ayan, so what is the best way para ibalik ito? Kasi pag itinulak mo lang siya, nakaharang yung post, so hindi mo siya basta-basta ma-shoot sa body or sa hub. What you can do is either use a string para iikot mo yung string dito para sabay-sabay na humiga yung post, maipasok, or you can just put a little pressure, then counterclockwise. There you go. After that, balik lang natin to. Again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Same as anything. Yay! Alright, so isunod naman natin yung ratchet type. So, paunti ng paunti yung tools na gagamitin natin. Sa ball bearing kanina, ang daming tools, ang daming kailangan gawin. For sealed bearing, kailangan mo lang ng cone spanner, or in my case, pakamay. Pero sa ratchet type, usually zero tools. And syempre ayaw natin magkaroon ng grasa yung kamay natin, masyado pang maaga. Hihilahin lang natin yung cogs, dahil yung cogs nakalock siya sa Freehub, just like so. Yeah. So if you pull even more, tatanggal natin yung Freehub body. There we go. Oops, dahan-dahan. And that's a very simple and efficient design, as you can see. So may mga ngipin siya dito sa Freehub body, may mga ngipin siya sa hubs na kinakabitan nitong star ratchet kung ano tawag sa kanya. Okay, so when it comes to maintenance, ano nga lang ba ang pwede natin gawin? Again, kung wala kang special tools to replace the bearing, or kung wala namang problema yung bearing, it all boils down to the ratchet system. So what you can commonly do is, aside from pupunasan natin yung star ratchet system nandoon sa baba, punasan din natin to with a flannel cloth or microfiber cloth para matanggal yung every bits of old grease na nag-accumulate dito. And then same goes with the Freehub, with the Freehub body. Kapag tinanggal natin tong spring, pwede rin nating linisin to with the flannel cloth or microfiber para matanggal yung old grease. So kung may mga dumi man dyan or water deposits, matanggal. Then after which, pag malinis na, ready for assembly, make sure you use the recommended grease ng brand or depende sa manufacturer. Like this, special grease para sa ratchet system, or some lithium grease. So yeah, again, ang magagawa lang natin dito is punasan, linisin yung system, and then re-grease. Remove the grease and then re-grease. So yan, assembly. Since hindi natin ginamitin ang tools kanina nung tinanggal natin, well, it does not really require any tool pagbalik. Give it a little press. And you're good to go. So there you have it. Mabilisang maintenance ng seal bearing hubs, ratchet type seal bearing hubs, and ng ball bearing type hubs. Okay, so upcoming videos natin, short term and long term review ng Ridley Phoenix SL pure line. And here's our newly acquired or newly built Ridley X-Night cyclocross bike. It's a race bike pero nilagyan natin ng ng amenities so we can use it on a daily basis, or kung gusto natin mga weekend light trails and all that. So yeah, there you have it. Okay, I hope this has been informative. Till next time, bye.